Our students and our staff have absolutely no idea why you're here, and definitely they have no idea why there are all these news stations here.
It's third period on a Wednesday at Ballyshannon Middle School, and the entire school has been brought to the gym where they find some very important people gathered. Kentucky Education Commissioner Dr. Jason Glass, Lieutenant Governor Jacqueline Coleman, school board members, and Superintendent Matt Turner.
I am so sorry I took you out of class to come here and join us. So my apologies, I'm so sorry.
This was a secretly planned award ceremony. The prestigious Milken Educator Award is about to be presented to one of their teachers. It's been the best kept secret in the Boone County School District.
At the Milken Foundation, we believe that educators have the most important job in our country because they are entrusted with the responsibility of preparing all of you for a bright future.
Okay, seriously, the secrecy. But this was like when someone tells you you absolutely cannot tell anyone, or there's a possibility he will not win the award. Oh my gosh, like that is intense.
The Milken Educator Award comes with career benefits that include being a part of the Milken Educator Network of nearly 2,800 outstanding educators and a cash prize that is all this teacher's own.
All right, Luke, what do we have?
That is $25 right there. That is $250. That is $2,500.
Didn't I say that this was one of the greatest teachers in the nation?
I believe you did say that.
I did say that. Commissioner Glass, could you find us one more zero?
That is $25,000.
And the Milken Educator Award goes to Kevin Dailey!
Milken educators like Mr. Dailey are selected in the early to middle stages of their career achievements for the promise of what they will accomplish.
Teachers don't often get this kind of recognition, and for that to be so public and sort of that outpouring of gratitude has been inspiring, and I'll carry that with me for a long time.
Mr. Dailey teaches social studies, and on the day of his award, his class was working on an assignment about the branches of government. It's a job he loves, but not the career path he initially chose.
I started out my professional career as an aerospace designer. When I was reflecting on all the things that I've done, even within that engineering world, the ones that I had the most gratitude for, the ones that I appreciated the most were my teaching opportunities, whether it was training a new computer program or onboarding new employees. I just really left those days feeling really like full of energy.
He's the teacher every kid would want to have. He's the teacher I would have wanted to have.
Great students make great teachers. Always remember this, no matter what you choose to do in your life, the way that you treat people will always be what makes the difference.